You are on the Debian and I am Sergio Cabral. This demo is about establishing a connection via SSH, either using a password or using a pair of encryption keys. I will connect to a Linux server using the native Windows 10 client. SSH username at server address. When it is your first access, you need to inform that you trust the identity of the remote computer. We will answer yes. Then you enter your password. And ready, connected using password. Another form of authentication is to let the target computer know the source computer. In this case, we create a pair of encryption keys on the source computer with the command ssh-keygen. Press enter until done. From the pair of generate files, we are currently interested in the public file id_rsa.pub. Let's see its content. Now we have to store that content on the target computer, the server. Let's connect again. Create a SSH folder in the users directory and write a file, call it authorized keys, with the exact contents of the public file. That way, both your computer knows the server and the server knows your computer. Let's make the connection again. And ready, connected use keys without have to enter authentication data. Hasta la vista.